In 2024, global retail e-commerce sales are projected to surpass $6.3 trillion. Building a website like Amazon requires understanding the profound impact of online shopping on the global economy. Amazon's success stems from its vast product range, customer-centric approach, and innovative technology. To replicate this, focus on offering diverse products, prioritizing customer satisfaction, and leveraging cutting-edge technology like artificial intelligence. A user-friendly interface, advanced search functions, and personalized recommendations are crucial. Ensure your website loads quickly, offers intuitive navigation, and provides tailored shopping experiences to engage customers effectively. Begin by identifying your target market and profitable niches. Research trends, analyze competitors, and understand consumer demand. Develop user personas and gather feedback to shape your offerings and build a strong foundation. Select a platform that supports scalability, offers a seamless customer experience, and integrates various payment options. Consider platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, based on your technical expertise and business goals. Design with a focus on user engagement. Ensure intuitive navigation, mobile responsiveness, and appealing visuals. Use tools like Adobe XD or Figma, or hire professionals for a polished design. Integrate essential e-commerce features like shopping carts, secure payment processing, and user accounts. Enhance user experience with advanced search filters, product reviews, and personalized recommendations. Implement on-page and off-page SEO strategies. Use keywords, meta tags, and quality content to improve search rankings. Leverage social media and influencer marketing to boost visibility and drive traffic.